Welcome to our discussion on financial pitfalls, the 5 mistakes that are keeping you poor. It's time to take control of your finances and change those habits holding you back. First, living beyond your means is a rampant issue. Spending more than you earn leads to mounting debt. Start budgeting and being conscious of where your money goes. Second, failing to save for emergencies can leave you vulnerable. Set aside a portion of each paycheck to build a financial cushion for unforeseen expenses. Third, neglecting investments is another critical error. Invest in your future by exploring stock markets or retirement plans. Don't rely solely on savings accounts. Fourth, lack of financial education keeps many stuck in a cycle of poor decisions. Take time to learn about personal finance, be it through books, courses, or speaking with a financial advisor. Finally, ignoring the impact of lifestyle inflation as your income grows can trap you at the same financial level. Resist the urge to increase spending with every raise. Avoid these mistakes and start paving a way toward financial stability today.